Welcome to a world where time slows down and beauty lives in every corner. A world of soft colors, weathered wood, and the gentle scent of wildflowers in the air. Today, we are stepping inside the heart of vintage style cottage home decor. A timeless look that blends nostalgia, comfort, and natural charm. It's not about perfection, it's about feeling at home. From lace curtains that dance in the sunlight to antique treasures that whisper stories of the past, every piece has a soul and every detail tells a memory. So grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and let's explore how to fill your home with warmth, romance, and the enhancing spirit of a vintage cottage. Here are some detailed and inspiring tips to help you create a truly beautiful vintage style cottage home decor, full of warmth, history, and timeless charm. Embrace the collected over time look. Avoid making your home look like a showroom. Instead, make it feel lived in and loved. Mix heirlooms, thrift store finds, and handmade crafts. Combine slightly mismatched chairs, patterned china, or a mix of vintage frames for that cozy, collected feeling. Use one or two antique focal points, a dresser, a cabinet, or a mirror to anchor the space. Incorporate vintage mirrors and frames. Ornate gold or whitewashed wood mirrors reflect light and make small rooms feel larger. You can also repurpose old window frames as rustic wall decor. Decorate with everyday vintage finds. Turn simple items into beautiful displays. Open mason jars or glass bottles as vases for fresh or dried flowers. Animal pictures for utensils and pockets. Vintage books stacked under lamps or planters. Antique trays or dollies to hold candles and teacups. Use floral touches everywhere. Small floral prints on curtains, cushions, and coils add that cottage softness. Dried lavender, roses, or eucalyptus in vases or hanging bundles create a gentle scent and texture. Use floral teacups, window stains, or framed botanical art as subtle accents. Focus on cozy furniture and layout. Choose furniture that invites relaxation. Plush armchairs, soft slip-covered sofas, or cushioned window seats. Avoid rigid layouts, angel furniture for conversation, and leave room for layers like ottomans and side tables. Bring nature indoors. Fill corners with potted plants, ivy or herbs in clay pots. Hang dried flower wreaths or garlands. Use natural materials like jute, rattan, wicker, and raw wood. If possible, open windows often. Natural light enhances all those vintage textures. Create soft, warm lighting. Avoid harsh LED lights. Use warm, golden bulbs. Add table lamps, fairy lights, or candle sconces to create that dreamy cottage glow. Layered lighting, overhead plus lamp plus candlelight gives depth and mood. Add handmade or crochet touches. Handmade items bring warmth and authenticity. Crochet doilies, lace double runners, or knitted drawers. Hand embroidered cushions or curtains. These small details make your space feel intimate and personalized. Curate a charming entryway. Place a vintage bench, floral cushions, or distressed console label near the door. Layer patterns the cottage way. Don't be afraid to mix florals, stripes, gingham, or polka dots. Just stay within a soft color palette, pastels or faded tones. Combine a floral sofa with striped cushions or floral curtains with a checked tablecloth. Layering gives your space that collected over time feeling that defines true vintage charm. Include sentimental and storytelling pictures. Display family heirlooms, old clocks, or your grandmother's teacups. Add framed handwritten recipes, postcards, or vintage letters on a wall. Use vintage suitcases or trunks as side tables or storage. They add instant nostalgia and function. Make storage beautiful. Replace plastic bins with wicker baskets or wooden crates. Use open shelving with neatly folded linens, glass jars of buttons, or stacks of vintage plates. Hide clutter in fabric-lined baskets or old animal boxes. Practical but charming. Mix the old with the new. Blend a modern sofa with antique side tables, or use a new rug with vintage-style wallpaper. The contrast keeps your cottage decor feeling fresh rather than museum-like. Think balance on modern piece to every few vintage elements. Use lots of soft textiles, drape coils, crocheted straws, and place runners everywhere. Decorate with fresh or dried flowers. Use mismatched glass bottles, teapots, or jugs as vases. Display dried lavender, baby's breath, or eucalyptus for a timeless look. Change arrangements with the seasons. Daisies in spring, wildflowers in summer, dried wheat in autumn. Layer multiple rugs, a vintage floral on top of a jute base for depth and warmth. Add antique touches to furniture. Replace knobs and handles with vintage brass or porcelain awns. Use chair slipcovers with ruffles or ties for that country cottage coziness. Add wooden ceiling beams or white painted paneling if possible. They instantly give that English country cottage warmth. Light, airy windows. Choose sheer curtains or lace panels to let natural light flow in. Add bamboo shades or ruffled balances for extra coziness. Hang a small wreath or dried flowers from a ribbon in the window. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this little journey into vintage cottage beauty, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home inspiration.